Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel on Advanced Excel. First of all, I wish all my viewers and friends a very happy Diwali and prosperous and healthy year ahead. Now in today's video, our task is to take bi-monthly and quarterly totals of these sales. So here is my database of say month and sales, and we want to take bi-monthly total of these sales and a quarterly total, that is 3 months total. So what we are interested here is now the database is of 2 years, Jan 20 to December 21, and in a bi-monthly total we want something like this. Say it will be a total of say Jan plus Feb, then it will be a total of say March plus April, and so on. And in this case the quarterly totals will be of 3 months, so is equal to, we want total of this plus this plus this, and then so on, April, May, June, like this. So we'll see how we can take these bi-monthly and quarterly total sales using certain formulas in Excel, or integrating certain functions or formulas in Excel. So because our data is in rows, that is across the rows and not across columns, I'm going to start with a row function here. So first we are trying to do bi-monthly sales, so is equal to ROW, and here is what row function does. It returns the reference number of the row. So I am opening the brackets and closing them and control enter. Now right now let me just format this as a general. Okay, so right now my cursor is sitting in row number 3, and that's why the row function is giving me a result as a 3. Now let's copy this. So now we have row numbers here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because of this first two rows, that is first row is a blank row, and the second one is having our header rows. So my actual database, or my first record, that is record of this Jan 20 with the sales of $9676, it is my first record with respect to this table, isn't it? So these first two rows, they are absolutely irrelevant. First row is a blank row, and the second row is having my header row. So I am simply now selecting this entire range, and I'll say row minus 2, isn't it? Because this record is the first record of my Jan. So also, for example, this record is the 10th record of my table. So right now it is giving us consecutive numbers starting from 1 to 24, and as I've said, the database is of 24 months, that is 2 years. So now again I am selecting this range, and I'll say, I'll prefix this with mod, and we'll try to see whether the product of this row minus 2, whether it is divisible by 2 or not. And the reason I am dividing it by 2 is because we want bi-monthly sales, total of bi-monthly sales. So comma 2. So now we are having a pattern of say 1 0, again 1 0. Now as we want a bi-monthly sales, we want the total to appear right in the front of February, isn't it? So Jan Feb total has to appear in the month of right in the front of February sales. Then March April total should appear right in this front of this April 20 sales. So likewise we want. So here now let us introduce function. So is equal to if, and now my first, just let me just put press escape here. Now my first, the pattern is we are getting 1 and 0, again 1 and 0, and because we want total and total of this bi-monthly sale at the second month, that is Jan Feb total has to appear against this Feb record. We'll say if the result of this mod is 1, okay, then give me 0, else you give me sum of this cells, that is C2 plus C3, and I'll complete parenthesis and press Ctrl Enter. Okay, and here you have totals of bi-monthly totals of sales, and to prefix dollar sign, you simply have to press Control Shift and 4, right? So let's see whether we have got it right or not. This is $19,202, $19,202. Then next is 18,754. So March and April total 18,754. Then let's check it out here also. November 20, December 20, total sales 17,280. Here it is 17,280. And whether we are getting it correctly or not, the simple thing to check, using sum, SVM, sum, tab, and I will take total of this sales, which is coming to 220,656. Control C, Control V, 220,656. So here is how we can take a bi-monthly total using combination of row, mod and if. And suppose if you want to get rid of these zeros, then we can simply add one more if tab, and we'll say if the result of this all if mod and row combo, if that result is 0, then give me nothing. So double quotation mark, which is called as a zero length text string. So give me blank, else give me the result of this if row and mod. So I'm selecting this, Control C and Control V, and here it is, and simply copies it down. So we have got rid of these zeros, and now we have this final formula, which is a combination of if, or other two ifs, mod and row function. So this is how we can take bi-monthly total of sales. Now what if we want to take quarterly total of this sales? So here we want total of Jan, Feb, March to appear, and we want that total to appear right in the front of March. So is equal to this plus this plus this. This is the way we want, and we want it to repeat after 3 months, every 3 months, third month, or in the month of third month, in the front of third month. So here it is. So this is what we want. So again we'll start with row. We'll do the same thing, complete parenthesis, Control Enter. We'll deduct 2 from here as well, because these first 2 rows are not relevant, and my record of Jan is starting from row number 3. So -2, enter, then Control C, we'll copy it down, and again we'll use mod function, mod tab, and because it's a quarterly totals that we want, we are going to ask, are these numbers divisible by 3 or not. Enter, copy, enter, and now we are having a different pattern. We are having 1, 2 and 0. So wherever this 0 is appearing, we want that total or a quarterly total to appear over here. So now my if function will say, I'm prefixing if here, if the result of this mod is not 0, then give me 0, else. Now because we want total to appear at every 0, I am saying give me total of say C1 plus C2 plus C3. Okay, and I am completing parenthesis here, and I am pressing Control Enter, and here you have, and again same Control Shift 4 to prefix dollar sign. And to get rid of these zeros, again we'll do the same thing. We'll prefix this if with another if. So if tab, and we'll say if the result of this entire if row and mod, if that is giving me 0, then give me nothing, that is double quotation mark, or else give me this. So simply Control C and Control V, complete parenthesis, and Control Enter, and here you have. And let's see whether we are getting it right. So Jan, Feb, March total is 28,037. Here it is. Then April, May, June total, it is 26,843. 26,843, exactly correct. And July, August, September 26,605. 26,605. And we can simply check this once again. Control C and enter, and yes. So these are the approaches that I have. If you people know any other approaches, then please comment. I am leaving a link of this Excel downloadable file in the description box, which you can download and practice. And in this next sheet I am giving text of this formula. So if in any case when you are practicing, if you are not able to get the right results, you can simply refer the formulas here and apply it to your working. So friends, this brings me to end of this video. If you like this video, do give me a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing my channel, and if you know any other way out, then do let me know. Right, take care, bye bye.